Housekeeping is essential for a healthy and happy home. A clean home looks and smells better. It also prevents germs and keeps your family safe. Good housekeeping is about more than just cleaning. It's about creating a comfortable and welcoming space. Housekeeping helps you take pride in your home. When your home is clean and tidy, you can relax and enjoy it more. You'll also feel more confident inviting guests over. Whether you live in a small apartment or a large house, housekeeping is important. It makes your home a more pleasant place to live. Housekeeping involves many tasks. These tasks vary depending on the size of your home and your lifestyle. However, some basic duties are common to most households. Cleaning is a major part of housekeeping. This includes dusting, vacuuming, mopping, and cleaning bathrooms and kitchens. Laundry is another important task. This involves washing, drying, ironing, and putting away clothes. Replenishing household supplies is also crucial. This includes toiletries, cleaning products, and pantry items. By staying on top of these tasks, you can keep your home running smoothly. Organizing your housekeeping tasks can make them feel less overwhelming and more manageable. Create a schedule that works for you and your household. This can help ensure that everyone knows their responsibilities. You can choose to do a little bit each day or dedicate specific days for certain tasks. Prioritize your tasks based on urgency and importance. Some tasks are more urgent than others and need immediate attention. For example, cleaning up a spill is more urgent than dusting your shelves, as spills can cause stains or damage. Focus on the most important tasks first and then move on to the less important ones. This way, you can ensure that critical areas are always clean. Breaking down large tasks into smaller, more manageable ones can also be helpful. This approach can make daunting tasks seem less intimidating. For instance, instead of cleaning the entire bathroom at once, start by cleaning the sink and mirror. This can give you a sense of accomplishment. Then tackle the toilet and shower. By breaking tasks down, you can maintain a cleaner home without feeling overwhelmed. Section 4. Managing your time effectively. Time management is key to efficient housekeeping. Set aside specific times for your tasks and make sure to stick to your schedule as closely as possible. This will help you stay on track and avoid getting bogged down with too many tasks at once. Prioritize your tasks based on urgency and importance. Avoid distractions during your designated cleaning time. Use time-saving techniques like setting a timer for each task to keep yourself focused. For example, while you're waiting for the bathtub to fill, you can be wiping down the counters or organizing the bathroom cabinet. Multitasking can help you get more done in less time, but be careful not to spread yourself too thin. Remember, even small pockets of time can be used effectively. A few minutes here and there can add up to a lot of productivity. If you have a few spare minutes, you can quickly tidy up a room, load the dishwasher, or even start a load of laundry. Every little bit helps in managing your time effectively. Section 5. Maintaining a steady supply flow. Running out of essential supplies can disrupt your housekeeping routine, causing unnecessary stress and delays. Keep a running list of items you need to replenish. This habit ensures you never forget to restock essential items. This will prevent last-minute trips to the store, saving you time and effort. Check your supply levels regularly, perhaps once a week, to stay ahead of your needs. This is especially important for frequently used items like laundry detergent, dish soap, and toilet paper, which run out quickly. Designate a specific storage area for your cleaning supplies. An organized space makes it easier to find what you need. This will make them easier to find and keep your home organized, reducing clutter. Consider buying certain items in bulk, especially those you use frequently. This can save you money and ensure you have enough on hand, avoiding frequent shopping trips. Just make sure you have adequate storage space to keep everything organized and accessible. Section 6. Housekeeping. A rewarding endeavor. Housekeeping is an ongoing process, but it doesn't have to be a chore. By implementing these tips and tricks, you can manage your housekeeping tasks effectively and efficiently. Remember that consistency is key. A clean and organized home provides a sense of peace and tranquility. It allows you to relax and enjoy your personal space. Don't be afraid to ask for help when needed. Ultimately, the effort you put into housekeeping contributes to a happier and healthier living environment for you and your loved ones.